Hi there, Rose here, and welcome back to my channel. Wherever you are in the world, it may be the time of year where it starts getting cold. And if you're not in a part of the world that's cold, I want you to turn it on for this video. Thank you. Because I'm going to show you what is in my fall and winter bag for 2025 and 2026. Let's get into it. First of all, I'm in my Mary Poppins era. And by that I mean all summer I was carrying a tiny little shoulder bag. I have a video on what was inside that on my channel, so feel free to go check it out after this one. But for fall, I want to go back to what being a girl means. And that's a huge purse. So for my purse, it's actually the oldest purse I own. I was about to say it was new. It's new to me carrying it right now, but it's the oldest purse I own. It is a Dooney and Bourke bucket bag in the Florentine collection. It has some little tassels, and as you can see, there's some wear and tear on the old girl. She's seen better days. Let's go into what is inside. Ta-da! I have to apologize in advance because someone is outside my building and it sounds like they're banging a hammer against a steel post. That's the city, baby. The city of lights. Just kidding. I do not live in Paris. I like taking common slogans of cities and pairing them with other cities, like Philadelphia, the city that never sleeps. Let's go into what is inside my Mary Poppins Dooney and Bourke Fall 2025 and 2026 bag. What is in my bag? You're gonna be shocked. Let's start off strong with the thing that any girl needs. Travel size deodorant. I don't think I need to explain that, right? You got it? Yeah, okay. Next thing is a portable fan. I love this one because it's very flat. It has a kickstand so you can prop it up. Keeps me cool, keeps me less anxious. Okay, the next thing is a little pouch that holds two pairs of sunglasses. These little brown oval ones go with mostly everything. And then I have a gold polarized pair from I Buy Direct. So if I'm wearing gold, I'm gonna go for the gold lenses, gold frames. But if I'm wearing anything else, I'm gonna go for brown neutral frames. That's Girl Math 101. Okay, and then the next thing is a little container, and inside of it is nail clippers, a little mini pair of tweezers, and a little mini pair of nail scissors, cosmetic scissors. The next thing, some standard stuff, a little container of tissues. Can't go wrong with that. And then a just surgical mask. Probably should get one that's individually wrapped or something. I don't like that this is just free floating in my bag. Next thing you've probably seen in some of my other videos, it's my travel medication kit, and this one came with stickers. What? Who doesn't love a sticker with the medication that goes inside each compartment? And you can see the medications in the back. The visual helps you fill it more. Because I had another one that was completely opaque. It was beige, and it was so cute because it's beige, but it couldn't see through it. So sometimes I'd be running on E. Can't have that. Okay, the next thing, some Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer, because you need hand sanitizer, but why not make it smell divine? This one is Brightest Bloom. It literally smells like a bouquet of roses or flowers. I'm gonna need that when it starts to snow. Then we have just a standard hair tie. Oh, I've never been good at flinging. Oh, Kobe. Next up, we have a little mini perfume, and it's in one of my favorite scents. If you like vanilla, if you like coconut, if you want to smell like a summery little tropical vacation, Juliet Has a Gun vanilla vibes. It is divine, divine. It's spiritual. Probably seen this in another video of mine. A little mini half squat Burt's Bees. Oh my God, how cute is that? Okay, next up, one of my go-to products that I would hate to not have. My Australian sunscreen. It's just the best. If you have never tried this, it is amazing. It's great under makeup, so lightweight, no white cast. I promise you. My partner is brown. He can use it. Next thing is some dental hygiene cocoa floss. Have you tried this? It is honestly the best floss I've ever used in my life. It expands and it has over 500 threads. It's very expensive. $10 for floss. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? But I fear it may be worth it. So I'm gonna have to start cutting some things from my budget so I can afford my cocoa floss. Not sponsored, trust me. I have 500 subscribers. Only you can prevent wildfires. This is actually a thermometer and a compass. How handy is that? And then attached to it, I have a little flashlight. Blair Witch Project, where she's like, I'm scared. If you haven't seen Blair Witch Project, you're probably like, Rose, what the fuck was that? I love horror movies, so you have to get used to that if you want to be my friend, which I hope you do. Okay, next thing. Looks unassuming, huh? It's a folding hairbrush and comb by Conair. And I actually tested a bunch of travel size hairbrushes to try and find the best one, but this one was my favorite. I assumed I would have a mirror, and I have another mirror solution in here. Spoiler alert! So I like that this is a boar head brush, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, and a comb, all in one, fine tooth comb. Great product. Next thing is just a super thin phone stand. Folds out like this, and you can put your phone on it, and then you can have your phone standing up in front of you so you can watch something. I also have this MagSafe portable charger. I don't know where my phone is right now, but this just pops right on the back of your phone and it gives you a little battery charge. Very useful, super thin. Next up, I have just a feature of the purse. It's a key leash, and I don't want to show you my keys, but the key leash has this, and then I have this cool key fob that holds all your keys like this on a little divot, and then you can fold them in. That's my entire key fob. It's amazing how small it is. And then you may be asking yourself, wait, Rose, you didn't hide this key. Very astute observation. This isn't a key, it's a knife. So that's my keys. My wallet, you may be asking, is on the back of my phone. It's a MagSafe wallet. So we got keys and wallet, okay? Next thing in the place, just a Shout clothing wipe in case there's a stain on the go, and a flushable wipe in case we're in a bathroom and there is no toilet paper, no bathroom tissue, no paper towels, no nothing, nada. Out here stranded. But we're prepared. Next thing is one for the olds. I don't even know what that means. The next thing is just a pen and paper. Just in case my phone is dead or MIA or I need to write something down. You never know when an idea may strike. Then I also just have a stack of business cards. I am a photographer, so if someone sees me out taking pictures in the street and they're like, whoa, or I take a picture of them, here's my card, here's my card. How cool is it to be able to be like, here's my card. And one raffle ticket that I did not win, but I got it from donating money to the food bank. 3 stickers. I've been handing them out around town. 2 lip liners and 3 lip glosses. No, you are banned. 2 lip glosses. Aquaphor in a tube. Eye drops, clear eyes, full heart, can't lose. Here's the mirror solution I was telling you about. It's like literally as thin as a credit card. Not bad. This thing is great for contact lens wearers. If you wear contact lenses, you should try and find this on Temu or AliExpress. This is a little vial that holds contact solution and it squeezes out. Then you have a little tiny contact case that's great for travel. I don't use these 2 things, but you might. This is like a suction cup to suction lenses off, maybe for hard lenses. And then super like flexible tip tweezers, like they move. So you can grab it, I guess. Those things scare me. And then the case alone has a little mirror. So it's just a nice, it's like you can have a one-time fill of contact solution when you're out on the go. And then you can put it in a case and it all fits in one little carrying case. I have my iPad mini and I usually read books on this, but right now it's attached to a mini keyboard. And this I bought separate. It's not Apple branded, but it's amazing. See how it stands up like a laptop? It's not like, it doesn't need a back stand. And then you can just also pull it right off of the case, and then it's just the iPad and just the keyboard. And then it just slides right back on like that. Close it. Amazing. The iPad mini is great for on the go. It's a little emergency kit and it just has stuff like Listerine breath strips, a lens wipe, a mini pair of scissors with some mini elastics. These are great for the smallest way to put your hair up on the go. And some extra medication. This is just like a mini emergency kit that I just take and toss in smaller purses. And the very last thing about this purse that's made it so useful is this felt divider. Look how many pockets are in there. There's some on the side too, and I don't know if you can tell, but the inside of the purse is also red, so you can't even really see it when it's in there. And this is what the purse looks like empty. She's a beaut, and it's literally 12 plus years old, and it's still got that amazing leather smell. And that was what's in my bag. I told you it was a lot. Did you believe me? Yeah, it was crazy, right? Well, if you liked this video, I hope that you'll subscribe, and then I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.